Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can trim video in CapCut. So here I'm using CapCut for PC, and for example I'm going to import the video that I want to edit. So just click open and just drag here. So you can split before and sorry, you can split before in the section that you want to remove. For instance, I'm going to remove this section. Just click split and you can click split again and click the clip that you want to remove. Just click delete here. So this tutorial is very simple, but I hope it was very helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and share things. Bye bye.